Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you how to fix your Android phone heating problems in just a few simple steps. First, let's start with the basic. Reduce the screen brightness. One of the biggest causes of phone overheating is high screen brightness. Lowering it reduces the strain on your device. Next, keep your apps updated and system to up to date. App bugs can cause overheating. Let's update them now. Open Google Play Store and you can update from there all the apps. And then for settings, go to system and tap system update and you can see check for updates. Now declutter your apps. Sometimes app running on the background cause the phone to overheat. Let's remove the app you don't need. After that, restrict background apps. Limiting background apps can help prevent overheating. Then changing charging can sometimes cause overheating. Always use a manufacturer approved charger and avoid charging in hot places. After that, you can also use battery saver mode to keep your phone cool, and it will keep the phone to limit power usage. Then you can also restart the device. Sometime restarting your phone can help cool it down and refresh your system resources. And another method you can use airplane mode. This shuts all networks and reduces energy consumption. And another one is remove your phone case. If your phone still feels hot, remove the phone case to help it cool faster. Final cooling tips. Finally, place your phone on a cool surface or near a fan for quicker cooling. Just don't put it in the fridge. And that's it. Follow these steps to keep your Android phone cool and running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.